What's a tip that you can give someone who's selling their home as a way to enhance the aesthetics to make it more sellable?
Absolutely embrace staging. A good staging. Obviously, when the house, you're living in it and you've got your kids' items everywhere and it's your own personal things, take all the personal stuff out and really make it look like a designer had their hand in it, whether they did or not. The easiest thing to do sometimes is go upgrade the rugs or switch out the pillows, stuff the old stuff in a closet, something, but it just has to appeal to everyone. The room should be filled, but if it's filled with toys, it's hard for anyone to imagine it as anything other than a toy room. So if you want them to open and embrace, take all the stuff out that says you live here and just says we want you to live here. So, and it's as simple as decorator items. Switch out some art, family pictures down, put up a bunch of cute, simple $5 frames. Just anything like that will be more appealing.